Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video we'll be looking on cockatiels. So guys, you know we have two cockatiel that is laying already. This is the third pair of cockatiel that is about to lay. So guys, guess what they're doing? If you remember what the first step in the laying process is, then you guess it right. Yes, they are fixing their nesting box. So yeah, they go in and they fix the sawdust to their liking, and from there then they would lay their egg. No, they will mate, lay their egg, and then incubate, and then we get babies. So yeah guys, they are stage one. So if you never see in the box look guys, I'm never appreciate it when me telling you say them fixing at them box, because I don't know what is there I'm looking for, right? Alright, so let's go into the box now. So here it doesn't like much is done. Just look but guys, they have moved around the sawdust in there to their liking. If you notice the front, that's where they enter, is a bit lower than the back. So they will be laying mainly to the front and not to the back. So that is what is happening there. We have a cinnamon male and a white face female. Guys, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell.